Okay, we're back. No, there's no we. It's just Jim. Anyway, I'm back. Jim. I am Jim. Anyway, so here we go. I'm gonna get this here. Look at that. Oh boy, she's just like new, huh? Anyway, these are old, the real good old brass style um, battery cables here. So I'm gonna get it cleaned up a bit. And here's the deal. I don't kind of squish these guys a little bit, and then you just kind of twist them on. This battery's gonna be in and out. So I'm not going to clamp them down. I should. I know I should. Anybody who says, oh, Jim, you should do it, you're right. I should. Should do a lot of stuff. So anyway, there we go. How do you like that? Alright, so to me, I can see in there. You can't probably, but I can, and it's good and it's clean in there. So now what we'll do is I have whoa, watch out, there you go. Okay, now I have assembled also the whole list of tools. You wouldn't believe it. There's so many tools involved here. No, it's not like that at all. There's not a whole boatload of tools involved. Let me just see if I can get you folks. Whoa, get out of there. Can you get hurt? Uh-oh, you're almost in there. Can you see? No, I can't see it. If I can't see, you can't see. Alright, so there you go. So then here's the little, and I have disconnected the battery because I took my ooh, look at this here. This rocks a little bit. That's not, whoa, is everybody okay? We just leaned over there. That's alright now. Don't be having any beers. I can't have any, you can't have any. Alright, so now, did you see that? The whole thing moves a little bit, so that's why you hold on to this one and give him a little turn there. Alright, so there we go, almost here. And this one here, just I expected it already to be where you could do it with your fingers, but no. So take him off. I'll leave everybody else on, but we are going to look at it and maybe do a little cleaning. Okay, well, that's not bad, but it's not good. So let's see about the next guy there. He's looking good. You folks can't see it, I can see it. All of the rest of them are okay, so I'm going to fish him out of there, so you folks just hang on a bit. And all I'm going to do is grab it, pull it up out of there, pull it through that hole, feed it back down to you. Then I'm going to probably use some sort of zip ties or route it in a nice way to where it doesn't give us a problem. So, here we go. Get back. You see it? You see it? Everybody can see it? Get it for me. Grab it. Grab it. There you go. Oh, I thought you were going to grab it. Okay. Alright, so let's see. I need to get that battery post cleaner also. So there you go. Our battery post cleaner also now. And where'd it go, guys? Tell me. Oh, there you go. Okay, so it's nice. We got it right there. Uh-oh. Hold him off. Yeah, see? Hold him off again. That guy just doesn't want to stay on there, does he? Alright, well, once we get everything in there, it'll be fine. We'll move it nice. Okay, oh, there you go. Look at him. We'll get the other side there, too. Alright, let's see. What did it give us? Okay, again, you folks can't see. I can see, and that one post keeps coming off. Goodness gracious. That one terminal, I guess, that's what I should say. Ugh. This here needs to be turned in a different way, I believe. Well, if I let loose of the post, the battery post cleaner, maybe it'll help me. And I can turn this any darn way I want to now. Maybe. Try to turn it in a way, oh Lord, where it stays away from my exhaust. That is key to this particular thing. You know what? We're going to have to run this out the side. It's just the way it is. Alright. Somebody put a new terminal on this a while back, it looks like, and that's good. Alright, so now I get my nut. Yeah, the reason we had to stick this out the side is because the way that the body of that solenoid is made, it, I'm going to turn this backwards. Sometimes I'd like to turn them backwards and you can feel a little click. That means it went on the thread right. Otherwise, sometimes you start cranking that stuff, and it, you know, just you cross threading it, and what I'm doing is using steel onto a copper post, so we don't want to get too weird. So we're gonna tighten them up. We'll stick this guy sideways, try to get these guys back where they were, so you folks won't be able to see that. I'll adjust here in a bit, and once I get it tighter, I can pull the other ones back, and then if I hold this one here, nobody's moving anywhere because they're behind him, and he'll be the one forcing them into the little home. So I'm going to give him a little down action, a little bit. Let's see, rock it back and forth. I'm going to hold on to it, folks. I lied to you. I'll hold on to it because I feel better about it. Oh, now it got away from me. There you go. One. And I know you can't see anything, and that's just awful. I'm not sorry. Okay, I tightened it up, like 2-finger tight there, which in this case is good. So, we'll get back up to the top there around and show you what's going on. Come back. It's not done. And subscribe or hit reply, up or down, whichever. It's fine. You have your own thoughts. Thanks.